Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you how I made this adorable book display, but you can definitely use it for other things as well. Not necessarily books, you can place these maybe in the bathroom for magazines or place them in the kitchen. The ideas with these are definitely endless, and I made these using only 2 items from Dollar Tree. So if you want to see how I made this, just keep on watching. But before I start the video, I just want to let you know I do have another YouTube channel called Tina's Daily Deals. If you don't know about that yet, definitely check it out. I share with you deals from Amazon, Walmart, and many other stores. So I'll put the link down to that channel down in the description box. And if you like what you see, be sure to join the family. Now let's go ahead and get started. So I'm going to be honest with you, this is probably the easiest project I've ever done. Here we're taking some napkin holders from Dollar Tree, and as you can see, I just have them set side by side, and all you need are napkin holders and zip ties. Now you can make different sizes depending on what you'd like to display, and what we're going to do is we're going to go in with those zip ties, and wherever the napkin holders touch, we're going to put a zip tie. Feel free to add E6000 if you'd like for extra support. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and click that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss out on my next DIY. Once we're done putting zip ties on the top area and the bottom there, we're going to flip it over and do the same to the back. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and cut the extra piece of the zip tie there. Make sure it's tight and secure though before cutting it. And I did go ahead and paint mine so it kind of matches my son's room with a little bit of white and blue since his room color is blue. But hang these using some command hooks or even push pins and they're good to go. So let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. And remember, you can use these to display pretty much anything, like even little toys like these or stuffed animals. So yeah, let me know what you think down in the comments. You know, I'd love to hear from you. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. And be sure to share with your friends. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Oh, and I love you all. Bye.